Hello everybody, you are on Andriy channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 best ways how to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, and all of these methods work perfectly. I will try to make this video as short as possible, so please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get it started. So for the beginning we need to open our browser. In my case it's Google Chrome browser. Then right next, download Windows 11 and press enter. Then we need to click and go to the official Microsoft website. After that, scroll down a little bit and you will see download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Click here and select Windows 11 Multi-Indice ISO. Click here. Now we need to select language that will suit you the best. For the example, I will select English. Click here. And now we can download ISO file. Click here. Now we need to wait until ISO file will be downloaded on our computer, and then I will show you the first way how to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. How do you see ISO file already downloaded? And now we need to click on it, open, then click on setup. And now I will just show you that my laptop Dell E6440 doesn't support Windows 11. PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. The processor isn't supported for this version of Windows. The PC must support TPM 2.0. This PC must support security boot. Don't worry about that, just close this window. So let's get into it. The first way, we need to copy this link. All the links will be in the description. And then we need to open our Chrome browser and insert link here, press enter. So we see the file Windows 11. This file is very important and it will help us to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. So now we need to extract this file. And now we need to open it several times. Please pay attention right now. You need to find this file, skip TPM, and you need to open it as administrator. In this case, you just need to wait, don't press any key, and that's all. We already activated Windows 11. Let's another time try to install Windows 11. Open our ISO file, click here, click on the setup, and now we can install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. So the first method worked without any problem. Also, I want to remind you that the way I show you only help to skip Windows 11 system requirements, but you need to have Windows 11 already activated. On my channel, I already have videos where I showing in detail how to install it. But now I want to show you the second way. About the second method, we also need to copy this link. Click here, we need to insert it to our browser. Press enter. You may see some different text. We need to copy all this information. Press Ctrl+C. And now we need to create a text document. Click on it and click here. So, very important information that we need to do right now. Click on the file, save as. For the example, you can write Windows 11 and very important .cmd. Be sure to write in the end .cmd. Then we need to save this file. Click here, close this window. So on the desktop we see the new file. Just click on it. Don't press any button and wait until the whole process will end. Voila! This way just helped to activate Windows 11 and now you can install it without any problem. I show you two ways how to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. But if you pay attention, those ways help to update to Windows 11 from Windows 10. Probably many of you have next question. How to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC if I don't have Windows 10? The third way will be perfect if you don't have Windows 10. It will work on any computer. So we also need to copy this link and then open our Chrome browser. Insert link here and press enter. Right now we will use Rufus to install Windows 11 on a USB stick, and after that you could install it on any unsupported hardware. Doesn't matter. Get a close look, because right now we need to download the correct version of the program. We need to download Rufus 3.18 but portable version. Click here and wait until it downloads. So guys, I already download Rufus, and before I start installation process I will insert my USB stick in the laptop. And now I will run Rufus. Very important, if you see this message, do you want to allow Rufus to check for application updates online? Click no, because it will update you to the newest version and then you could not install Windows 11 on unsupported laptop or PC. Then we just need to select our ISO file. Click here. It is my ISO file that I previously downloaded from the Microsoft website. Click here. After we select our ISO file, we need to click here, image option. And here we need to select extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM, no secure boot. Click on it. Here we need to select GPT. Here we could not change anything, so leave UEFI. And then you just need to click start. It's not top secret information that all data will be deleted. Click OK. And now you just need to wait until Windows 11 will be installed on your USB drive. So we already installed Windows 11 on our USB drive. And now you could safely remove your flash drive. I just want to remind you that the first way and the second way help you to update to Windows 11 from Windows 10. And the third way help you to install Windows 11 on USB stick, and after that you can install it on any unsupported hardware. If this video was useful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it will help me a lot. Also on my channel you can watch a lot of interesting videos. Goodbye everyone, see you soon.